Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a viewer-like experience in the free version of Monday.com. The free plan does not allow actual viewers, but I'll show you the closest possible workaround. Before we start, you should know that the free version doesn't include viewers or permission roles. But by combining a private board, sharing settings, and permission locks, we can restrict someone so they can mostly view but not edit. First, let's invite someone to your workspace. The free plan allows 2 users only. Click on your profile picture, then click Invite Members. Enter their email address and send the invite. They will join as a normal member. We'll restrict them later. Now we'll create a board that only you and your viewer user can access. Click the Add button on the left, then choose New Board. Select Private Board and give it a name like Shared View Board. Next, open your private board and click the Share button on the top right. Search the member you just invited and add them. Now they can see this board, but we will limit their editing rights. Now let's lock the board so they can't change your structure or add new items. Click the 3 dots menu at the top right, select Board Permissions. Here choose Only owners can change board structure, and members can only edit their own items. This prevents them from messing up your board. To make it even more view-only, we'll lock individual columns. Click the column header, then choose Column Permissions. Set it to Only owners can edit this column. Repeat this for all important columns. If your board has sensitive columns you don't want them to see, you can hide those columns. Click the drop-down on the column, choose Hide Column, and keep it invisible for the restricted user. Now, log in as the second user or ask them to check. They should be able to view the board, but will not be able to edit columns, edit structure, add new items, or delete anything. This is the closest viewer mode available in the free version. And that's how you create a viewer-like experience on the free version of Monday.com. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.